in search of a super hit, we've been wondering where on earth his leading ladies have disappeared to, though today the talash for the heroines finally seemed to be fruitful.
Yes, Rani Mukherjee emerged in Kolkata with Farhan Akhtar and Reema Kagti for the film's promotions. Kareena, though, is still missing, and Amir was in Meerut interacting with the Pulp Fiction writers. Take a look. The genius of Amir Khan is at work again. The perfectionist may not have given enough time to the promotions of his latest Talash, but he certainly knows how to make up on lost time. So while Rani Mukherjee, Farhan Akhtar and Reema Kagti visited the city of Kolkata to promote the film, Amir made his way to Meerut, the home of Pulp Fiction writers.
मैं पूछने वाला था आप लोगों से कि अभी मैं इतना सुन रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे इतनी क्राइम मेरठ जो है वो फेमस है क्राइम के बारे में, तो अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ से इतने लेखक क्यों आ रहे हैं.
During the course of the interaction, Khan spoke with the likes of Ved Prakash Sharma, writer of popular fiction novels like Vardi Wala Gunda and Keshav Pandit.
आपने वर्दी वाला गुंडा लिखा है और यहाँ पे कई वर्दी वाले हैं इस वक्त और मुझे यकीन है कि वो खुश नहीं है इस टाइटल से. मुझे डर लग रहा है.
The fact that Amir was in Meerut to promote the film proves that it is the smaller cities that are now more important to the stars. Bollywood is looking at quantity to break the ever-increasing collection barrier. Far away in the city of Kolkata, Rani, Reema and Farhan too were busy wooing the media, but not without talking about the superstar.
He's grown leaps and bounds. He's grown from strength to strength. And over the years, I think he's developed this love and respect from audiences world over, that when there's an Amir Khan film that's going to release, you know that you're going to see a really good film. So this has only happened with his hard work and his dedication.
Cut off my arms to be able to work with him again, honestly. I think it was, like you're saying, I think we're both very, very obsessive about what we do, so we got along like a house on fire.
It's strange because on some level, although it is 11 years since Dil Chahta Hai, but in my life it just feels like it's happened yesterday. Because it's such a special time in my life that it's unforgettable. So I don't really look at it as 11 years having passed, but it is always nice to work with people who are very sincere and committed to what they do.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at indietvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.